다 잤어, 준이? 예쁘니? 준이 애기 같네. 예뻐.
Yeah, I'm taking video, not picture.
Yeah, I like your leaf.
tayo now. Tayo pa na tayo. That's why Mom said not to wear them. Let's go deeper into the forest. Deep, 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 way deep.
Oh, you can see the rings on that tree, Junie.
What tree?
Look at and Ellie was talking about the age of the tree.
Oh, yeah,
You see the rings?
Oh yeah.
Can you count?
1,
See, so when the tree was like 1 or 2 years old, it was only this big. You see, and then as it grew, every year it gets a new layer. So this is how old it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just keep counting. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. It's probably like a 100-year-old tree,
100.
maybe more.
Wow.
Oh my god, a banana slug!
I know.
Bright yellow. Oh my god!
A banana
After
slug.
years of searching.
See,
You guys see it?
Yeah.
hike was worth it.
Oh my god, a banana slug.
You guys gonna kiss
Wow,
it?
good eye.
No way. That's disgusting.
I know, there's no way. That's what you have to do when you see your first banana slug. You have to kiss it.
Oh.
I
no
did it.
way.
Dad's done it. Mom's kissed a
I think I
banana
did it.
slug.
I don't think I did it.
No, thank you.
Jane did
Then
it.
you have to.
No, thank you. No. Actually, look at that baby Michael. This is a big hill.
It is a big
Let's
hill.
go.
Clovers.
Look at that goat uncle.
Yeah, they're all clovers.
Uh,
Come on, they're getting away.
Give me. Wait. Come here. Dad,
What?
look.
Oh yeah, fuzzy plant. I see it.
What's your what?
Some different type of plant.
Oh, I've seen those before. They're not really interesting. But they look interesting to me.
Yeah, they're interesting to us.
Yeah, I've seen one before. It's not really interesting. I see it. I think this was I. Yeah! Your favorite. What else is favorite?
Are you done, Jimmy?
Gia, can I get a bite?
Don't get a big bite.
Here.
Thank you, get a dog bite.
Crying. This is really the opposite of what we're going for here. Crying helps me. You know what? Let's think about something else. How about we? Sounds fun.
I've read most of it.
Well, have you read this one? This is
happy.
interesting. Long-term memory retrieval, volume 47.
No.
Ooh, a real.
Gia, are you okay?
Long-term memory data select Watching V channel subgrouping.
See?